Alright, we're at camp. Very good. Alright, so we're going to be asking you guys questions and you guys can respond as loud as you can.
Okay, so we learned quite a lot today. So what's the number you dial in case of an emergency? 911.
All together, loud and clear. Ready, ready? 1, 2, 3.
911.
Alright, what does EDIT stand for? Alright, all together on 1, 2, 3.
Exit drills in the home.
Very good.
Okay, we also learned what matches and lighters are. Are they cool or toys? Cool. And who are they cool for? Adults. Good job.
We also learned how to stop, drop, and roll. So can I get a volunteer to come up here and show me?
What does a deer do? Run.
How does a fish escape a fire? It swims. What about a snake? How does it get away? It swims.
How about a bunny? What does a bunny do? It goes to its burrow.
What about a bird? How would a bird escape a fire? It would. A turtle would swim away. Fish out. Very good.
I think we're done here.
I think that wraps up the show.
Yeah. Getting kind of hot.
Thank you guys.
We can go home now.
Unless you guys came for something else, I don't know. The puppy show? Where the puppy?
Behind me.
The house?
Turn
Yeah, this is the house. Oh, you guys came for this word puppet, that's all?
Yeah.
Puppet? Alright, well, alright, you saying something's behind me, so on the count of 3, we'll turn around. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we have really nice house.
Yeah, we have some nice grass.
Yeah.
But that's really it. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Yeah.
Where? We checked.
You're
There was nothing behind us.
Check again.
You want to check again? Alright, on the count of 3, we'll check. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There's nothing.
They're hiding.
You guys are kidding.
They're hiding. They're outside the paper. It's under the paper glass.
Oh, okay, you guys came here to do the sprinkler like him? Yeah? Alright, everybody do it. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Is that what you guys came for?
No.
Oh, okay. Last time we're going to check. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Lily!
It's our friend Lily.
She's not a puppet. I think she wants to tell us something. Well, what Lily said was that the puppets are shy.
They need some encouragement, so we can all stand up. Come on, let's get the
Oh,
puppets
get up,
out.
get up. Let's stomp our feet.
We're going to clap our hands.
We want puppets! We want puppets! We want puppets! We want puppets! We want
Possible.
and girls. My name is Lily, and these are my friends, Rocky, Charlotte, Sly, and Hoppy. We want to see how much you learned today at Camp Smoky, so we are going to ask you a few questions, okay?
Yeah.
Rocky, do you want to ask the first question? You bet. Let's see. I know a hard question. What should you do if your clothes catch on fire?
What do you do? Stop, drop, and roll. Say it together.
Together, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Very good.
That's right. Stop, drop, and roll. You kids are smart. Hey, boys and girls, do you know what EDITH stands for?
Okay, so what does it stand for altogether?
I think we can be louder. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Exit drills in the home.
Very good.
That's right. Exit drills in the home. Make sure your family has an escape plan for your home. Hey, Charlotte, do you want to ask the next question?
You bet. And it's going to be a tough one. Are matches and lighters tools or toys?
Okay, so what are they? Good job.
That's right. Matches and lighters are tools for grown-ups and should never be touched by kids. What should you do if you find matches or a lighter?
What do we do, guys?
Tell a grown-up.
I can hear you.
Tell a grown-up.
Good job. Don't pick them up. You should tell a grown-up. Only grown-ups should touch these dangerous tools. Remember that kids should never play with any kind of fire. Kids could get burned or start a fire where animals, my friends, and people could lose their homes. That's very sad. Hey, Sly, you want to ask the next question? Make it really hard, because these kids are smart.
Heck yeah, I'll ask the next one. Hi, boys and girls. Hope you're having fun at Camp Smoky. I bet I can stump you with my question because I'm sly. Ha ha ha. You ready, boys and girls?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
I want you to yell out the answer. What is the emergency number to call when there's a real emergency?
We can be louder. Go.
911.
I can't hear you.
911.
That's right, 911. Boy, you're smart. Hey, Hoppy, do you want to ask the next question?
You betcha. I know I can hop through and around the question, make it a tough one. Ready? Let me see. I know. No, I want to think of another one. Ready? Let's see now. You learned about wildfires in the forest and how plants and animals can survive. Good. How can animals like me and my forest friends survive a fire?
Okay, so what did deer do?
What about birds? How do birds escape? They?
And the bunnies, what do they do?
And what about the fish? They?
Swim.
And snakes? They?
Slither.
Very good.
Great answer. We can run away, burrow under the ground. Rocks. So, Lily, you want to ask them any more questions? I think we can stump them.
I don't think so. These kids are too smart. Let's sing a song, and then they can go get their rewards. We love rewards. What do you think, kids?
You guys think?
Do you want to sing the Smoky Bear song with us?
Come on, I can't hear you.
Okay, this one first.
With a ranger's hat and shovel and a pair of dungarees, you will
more stamps.